Alright, what do you do when your bananas never last? Well, everyone says make banana bread. I actually think I'm gonna make banana cake. Hear me out. It's been a minute since I've really kind of cooked or baked, and wicked good at it. Used to be. Anyway, made everything from scratch. So, not a banana bread girl. But we need our potassium. So, but I'm thinking it's going to be more along a banana cake. And depending on how I do, I may be 1 or 2 pans. So let's see. We're going to start with the bananas. So, I feel like there should be a better way of doing this. Cut them. I mean, I have to mush it. I'm such a texture person. I'm gonna mush this with the sugar. I got the bananas mushed. Now I gotta add brown sugar. I'm gonna use instead of regular white sugar, whatever. If anybody wants to know, brown sugar is mixed with molasses. About a half a cup. When it's already like melting into the banana, it's interesting. Alright, I'm gonna like not think of it as banana because I'm a very texture person and I'm not keeping my appetite. And I'm making my own recipe if anyone cares. I'm gonna say this is about a quarter, so maybe 1/4 butter. Probably way too much butter. It's for flavor, but it's still. What is butter? That is the question. Okay, we'll put that much in. So a little less than 1/4. So at this point, I'm just gonna put all the wet ingredients in here. I have the brown sugar, the banana, and the butter. It's not mixed very well. I have to use a little mixer. Didn't think. Alright, and then I will add, I'm going to add olive oil, apple cider vinegar with some cream of tartar. It'll act as the component as like buttermilk would versus hence the butter as well. Oh, and vanilla extract. So we're gonna put the liquid in, and yeah. All right, so 2 cups of flour, It's a little smidge over a cup, so we'll just do a smidge under a cup. All right. So baking powder. Everything is going to be a teaspoon. Little tiny teaspoon. That's all you need. Fair enough. Just a little bit. Same with cream of tartar. And baking soda. This cake. All right. Now we got cinnamon. We got nutmeg. I told you I'm making my own recipe, so that should be enough. All right. Oh, and a pinch of sea salt. Okay, now we're gonna chop chocolate. Fold in the flour. Fold in the cheese. Fold in the chocolate. All right, we got it. So banana cake bread. about to materialize before our eyes. I'm not really sure. I guess we'll just do one. And top it with the shavings. More shavings, I guess you could say. Alright, so my very first banana cake bread eggless. I'm gonna put her in the oven and see how she goes. Ooh, it's looking cool. Alright, so this is the finished product of my banana cake bread. Eggless, by the way. Dark chocolates. On a truth. I know it's cooled, not completely, but I'm really curious how this turned out. All right, so. That's not bad. It has a consistency of almost like a muffin. Yeah. It has the consistency of a muffin. It tastes more like cinnamon and chocolate. Not bad. Yeah, no. Yummy. Yes, and now I have breakfast. So, that was actually quite delightful. I'm impressed. That's my first time ever doing that. And I used my own recipe in a way. Yay, I still got it.